I just saw that happening as you were doing it, dude. I was like, yes. What happened? Yeah, dude, I want some of that. Yeah, this tree's not getting out of my way. Oh shit. Go back to the house and laying down.
Oh, fuck you then, you pussy.
Oh, my nigga. You gotta do it, do it. Just don't hit me with the... Oh, just don't hit me with the fucking spiny part.
It don't work.
Hurry up, I'm recording, man.
Oh, come on, nigga.
Wow. Told you it was rotten.
You hit yourself in the leg. Like 1, 2. You alright?
How did you get right in the knee?
Oh, bro. Yeah. It wasn't a good idea.
You gotta work on your aim. Fuck you, dude. Get the camera.
Fuck you, Doobie.